Welcome back. Welcome back to Cousin John Car Stuff. As you can tell from the title, there's a recall on Sonata Hybrid 2.0 engines, and there's the info about it. You plug in your VIN into nhtsa.gov, and that'll give you the information as to the recall. In a nutshell, just briefly, Hyundai is and I'm not going to read you the whole thing, just the upshot of it, but there's a recall for certain model year 2017 Sonata Hybrid and Tucson vehicles. And what the recall consists of is the engines may have been produced with a condition that can cause premature wear of the connecting rod bearings. A worn connecting rod bearing could produce abnormal noise from the engine and possibly illuminate the oil pressure light. And driving the vehicle in this condition could damage the engine, and potentially the engine would stall. And in limited instances, it could cause engine oil to leak and could increase the risk of a fire, could cause a vehicle stall at highway speeds, and if engine oil leaks onto certain engine components running at normal temperatures, there could be a cause of a fire, and potentially, depending on how bad it gets, it could punch a hole in the engine block, which obviously would result in loss of oil and the engine seizing. So, as far as remedy, not yet available. Then there's manufacturer note that owners can also contact the NHTSA hotline, and it gives the phone number 888-327-4236 or www.safercar.gov. Remedy not yet available. And then it says if the manufacturer has failed or is unable to remedy the safety recall in a timely manner, contact the NHTSA at that same number, 888-327-4236. And this recall was put out September 17th, and I just received notification of it yesterday, Friday the 24th. Again, here's the information as far as recall number, etc. And you put this information into the VIN box on nhtsa.gov, and it should pop up with your vehicle as well. And what I missed earlier is it also says Tucson. So, just wanted to give you an alert to this, since I was just notified yesterday, Friday the 24th. Hopefully this helps, and I'd appreciate you checking out my other content. And if you like my content, I'd be appreciative. Please like, share, and subscribe, and help my channel grow. And thanks for stopping by. I'll have a bonus video tomorrow the 26th. Normal upload schedule is Saturdays, and I try to make it between 12 and 6, but not always successful at that time. So, again, thanks for stopping by. Recall on Hyundai Sonata and some Tucson, not all, but some Sonata hybrids and it doesn't say Tucson hybrid or gas, but 2.0 engine, nhtsa.gov. Plug in your VIN and it'll come up with if your car is potentially affected by this recall or not. Until then, have a good one, be safe, see you next time.